Hey guys, I'm back with another video and this time it would be on each module of the PT like speaking, writing, reading and listening. So the main aim for this video is मेरा main aim इस वीडियो का ये है जो भी exercises हैं PT में जैसे read aloud से लेके और listening की last exercise which is write from dictation तक अपने हर मॉड्यूल की एक वीडियो बना दूंगा मैं हर एक्सरसाइज की एक वीडियो बना दूंगा जिससे आपको कोई डाउट नहीं रहेगा एंड even if you have a doubt please comment below, please comment if you have any queries, doubts, anything regarding the PT section, even about the templates which are running and all. So in this video we'll only talk about the read aloud section, the best tricks for the read aloud section and how to pursue read aloud section, because read aloud पहली exercise है, it is the first exercise of the PT exam. When you start the PT exam it would be the first exercise that you would come across, and secondly you will have to give 7 or 8 read alouds in an exam, and if you ace that read aloud section your score will surely enhance. Please mark my words, if you ace your read aloud section your score will easily enhance. And the second thing is it is the most easiest section in the PT. You just have to repeat what you are seeing on the screen. So right now we would just get into it. अपने एक दो प्रैक्टिस करके देखते हैं and then we will see कि क्या होता है. Okay, so let's start. Read aloud. July it would be tissues and organs. So the first thing is, अगर आपके पास जैसे 30 सेकंड का टाइमर है, जस्ट सी कि कोई ऐसा वर्ड है, इवन इफ यू कम अक्रॉस एनी वर्ड विच इज़ लाइक कॉम्प्लेक्स और यू हैव डिफिकल्टी वाइल डिफिकल्टी आ रही है आपको उस वर्ड को पढ़ने में, यू हैव अ डिफिकल्टी इवन प्रोनाउंसिंग दैट वर्ड लाइक मसल टिश्यू, रिदमिकली और हार्ट्स पंपिंग एक्शन. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट. Tissues are grouped together in a body to form organs. These include the brain, heart, lungs, kidneys and liver. Each body organ has a specific shape and is made up of different types of tissues that work together. For example, the heart consists mainly of a specialized type of muscle tissue which contracts rhythmically to provide the heart's pumping action. So as you can see कि मैंने जब जैसे ये पूरा sentence पढ़ा, while I read the sentence, I give a slight pause after to form organs. I give a minor pause after. These include the brain. Just 5-second pause for a comma. You have to give that pause because it is like you are having a normal conversation with the software. Just treat the software like you are having a normal conversation. In the read aloud section you are allowed to have a 2-second or 3-second break after the full stop. If somebody says that you have to repeat the sentence in a full go, that is not correct. You can give pauses. Mark my words, you can give pauses because it is from a student perspective, not from a teacher's perspective. I've aced the PT in 20 to 22 days. Believe me, you have to give pauses. You have to. The main thing is, the first trick is, please just pronounce the words correctly. Even if you are in the Indian accent, American accent, or you are in the British accent, the PT software doesn't give a damn about which accent are you speaking, because at the end of the day you all are students, so you don't need to fake your accent. You don't need to be a British citizen to ace PT. You just have to be on your toes while giving the PT exam. Okay, so it gave me 80, but in the exam it would definitely give me 85 because these softwares are not meant for the PT scoring, because the software doesn't know what PT requires. So if you are getting 70 to 75 marks in the mock test, please be ensured you will get very good marks in the PT exam. Very good marks, mark my words, because the software is a bit more lenient towards the student side. So the best trick is to read the sentence as I did. Okay, in the read aloud section you just have to behave that the software is another person. आपको जस्ट ये देखना है कि यार वो सिर्फ एक अलग बंदा है, अपने उसके साथ बात कर रहे हैं. So we have to be fluent, we have to be accurate and our pronunciation on point होनी ही चाहिए. Okay, so this is all for this video, and from today, the next day I will make the same video on describe image. ठीक है. So if you have any queries regarding another section of the PT or any module of the PT, please comment below. I will make that video as well. Thank you.